Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the series, but today being episode 4. Usually I'm more animated. I'm hype. I do a breakdown of my plan. I thank my subscribers for being here, my new viewers for watching, and my returning viewers for returning. And while I am grateful for each and every one of you, I gotta be real with you guys. I'm nervous. There's a lot resting on this for me, even though I understand logically it's the same as every other trade. I believe it, and I want to wholeheartedly own that. But my heart, my mind is telling me there's so much resting on this. If you lose, you're going to break your winning streak. We're up 5% because we've won 3 trades in a row. If you lose, you're going to be down 1% and have to work harder to get back up and past the remaining percentages to get to phase 2. If you lose this, you can risk losing perfection. You have an opportunity to pass this in 4 trades and have a perfect score of 4-0, which is historical, at least to you. If you lose, maybe your strategy isn't as great as you thought. There's so much going through my mind that I'm trying to process, but at the same time, I've been here before. And if it's one thing I know is that my job is to analyze and then execute. Whatever happens after that, I've done my job. If you've made it this far and watched this super long intro, thank you. Wish me luck, pray for me, because we're about to do this thing. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, so because I did such a long intro, I'm just trying to get myself situated here, moving my stop loss, setting it, my entry, and I gotta go ahead and put in my parameters. Gosh, wrong one. There you go. Okay, we're at pending order. Copy, paste, copy, paste. There you go. Copy my entry. Put that here. Gosh, I'm panicking. What's the lot size? 26.9. Okay, and go. All right. All right. I won't lie, guys. I'm nervous. I'm super nervous, but to be honest, this setup is like, it's kind of my setup, but you know, I missed a setup like this before and it ended up going my way. So even though this is not something I would ideally take, it does meet my requirements, I feel like. So, you know, we're just, look where we have to go for a 1 to 2. We're like right there. I think with this case I want to do a 1 to 2. Okay, I think we're about to get tagged in. Oh man, this is so crazy. The way price is moving so weird. Okay, we're in. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. This is do or die over here. God, this is driving me nuts. Okay, I think I'm gonna walk away like I usually do. This is driving me crazy. I'm getting nervous, so I'm gonna walk away, and when price exits, enters, whatever the case is, I will return. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, bro. There's no way this thing... man. I can't tell you guys the last time I felt this gutted. And you know what's killing me? It's not even the fact that I lost this trade. It's the fact that I knew I shouldn't have entered this one. And I know sometimes we feel that way. We say that sometimes when we lose a trade, like, I knew something was wrong, but I try not to let that be my thing. I think what's killing me is the fact that from analyzing and everything, I felt like I just did it just because I felt like there was still a good chance it would go up. Like when I'm looking on TradingView, I can see that there's a lot of reasons as to why I shouldn't have taken this. It was 30. I can't lie, I'm a little this one hit harder than I thought. I won't lie. This one was a tough one, guys. But I'm just more disappointed in the way I performed. I feel like I could have easily avoided this. You know what I mean? Lesson learned, right? Just be patient. I feel like I was so eager to get this challenge over with that I ended up taking a setup that I shouldn't take. I can go into details as to why this didn't work out, but it doesn't even matter. We're gonna look back at the drawing board and we'll take it from there, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Damn.